Hi, welcome to Spoken Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to use R. R is the language for statistical computing and data analysis. It is a free and open source software. Here we are going to learn how to download and install R. First, go to a search engine and just type R. They will give you many links. Click the first link itself. That will be the R homepage. You can directly go to it by typing www.r-project.org. To download R, on the left hand side you have CRAN. CRAN stands for Comprehensive R Archive Network. There will be several mirrors. Click on one which is closest to your country. Say here for us, Singapore. To download and install R, they give you various options. Depending on your operating system, either Linux, or Mac OS, or Windows. In our case, we have the Mac OS, therefore we click on the appropriate option. There will be many files, just click on the first one itself. That is the latest version of R. Here you're ready to start with R. You can follow the instructions and successfully install R. Once you're done with that, you can go to your search option. For us, the spotlight, type R. The top hit and applications it will give you. Click on it. Here we are ready to start off with R. What we see here is the R console. You can resize the window. You can start off with the basic math. Say 2 plus 5. It will give you the output. 8 minus 4. Simple math. To clear the window, all you need to do is go to Edit, Clear Console. The shortcut key is Command, Option and L. For statistical computing we use R. So to do any analysis, we first need vectors. Let's start creating simple vectors. R is case sensitive. Let us create a small vector x. The command is x equals C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To see the output, you can just press X and enter. Or you can type print X. There are various ways to give the same vector. For people who are familiar with computing and other languages, they can do X, the arrow key, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your output will be the same. There is another way to find X. To denote X, you can use the sequence command. X equals sequence 1 to 6 with an interval of 1. Your output will be 1 to 6 itself. Yet another way to denote this vector. You can type X equals 1 is to 6 with the default interval of 1. Press enter. You get X 1 to 6. The command C equals combine. C command binds together the numbers in here 1 to 6 and puts them in a vector form. C joins values back to back. Let us create a new vector. Say y equals 9 is to 14 with an interval of 1. Press enter. Here we have y. Now to have element-wise addition of x and y, you can say x plus y. You get x plus y. In our case, 1 plus 9, 10, and so on. Some people may have expected for the two vectors to join back to back when you type x plus y, but we already know the command for it. That is the C. So let us type the new vector z equals c x comma y. Your output for z there. Basic arithmetic we can do with these vectors. Say 2 into x will give us the appropriate answer. You can go back to the history and preview your command by just pressing the up arrow key and editing. So if you want 2 into x plus 3, you can do so very easily. x raised to 2, press enter. Similarly, y divided by x, the answers are there. This has inbuilt logical operators like true and false. So if you just say x, and if you want to know if any element of x is greater than say 2.5, we can do so by just typing this and pressing enter. The command output will be false, false, true, 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 true. That states self-explanatory. To clear the console, you can use command option and L. There we clear the screen. You can try a new vector A. A equals say 14:9, and then you can use the command sort. You can sort A in increasing order. There. You can use simple commands like log of x. First we'll denote what was x, y. Yeah, so log of x will give us this. Now, in order to check whether this log is natural log or to what base, simply use the help command. How do you use the help command? It is very simple. Just type question mark followed by a command. It will open a small box which will give us all the information. Here, log computes logarithm, natural logs. There. Similarly, you can use the command sine of x, exponential of x, square root of x, the sum of x, the product of all the elements of x, the mean of x, the standard deviation of x, the variance of x, median of x. In short, the full summary can be written by just one command. Summary x. Your output states the minimum, median, mean, maximum, first quartile range and third quartile range. You can type simple plot command, plot x. It will give us an output of x. This does not look too flashy because we haven't used other commands. You can plot x with y. Here we have x and here y. You can also type the square root of say any number, 9. It will give us the answer 3. But if you type square root of -9, you would get typically a warning message and NaN, an error. NaN stands for not a number. So how would you solve this? Simple. Type square root of -9 plus 0i, like an imaginary number. It will give us the answer. Let us clear screen. There are inbuilt demos. Let us look at one. Say plot math. I will rescale it. Press return to start. It has opened the window. Just adjusting it. Here, the command is hit return to see the next plot. Here we have arithmetic operators, which in R you would write in this way, this fashion. That includes superscripts, subscripts, various plots, ellipses, relations, arrows, fractions, operators, integral, limits, minimum values, infimum, supremum, groups, grouping. There's various options. Yeah, we're done with this. Out here I would like to conclude the first tutorial. Thank you.